right now. It's windy, it's cool. So right now, the beach is closed, so but we are allowed to walk through. So you can see the beach now, it's high tide. So mga kaibigan, nandito kami ngayon sa Sauble Beach. And it is still closed, sarado pa rin, pero pwedeng maglakad-lakad. Napapansin nyo ang lakas ng alon, right? The wave is really high tide. You see? The water comes all the way down here. So it's still closed to the public. Sarado pa rin para sa public. I can feel that the water is really cold because the waves are. Malamig pa rin ang tubig. Pero may mga bata naglalaro sa tubig. See? Ang lakas ng alon. The tide is high. But I love Sauble Beach. Alam natin na Sauble Beach is one of the most popular beaches here in Canada. So Sauble Beach is one of the beautiful beaches here in Canada. And it's really very popular. I love Sauble Beach. So nakikita nyo, ang lakas ng alon. Well, you see, may mga bata naglaro. Their children are playing with their grandma. It's kind of chilly here right now. So, still closed. So, this is Sauble Beach. It's nice though, I'm enjoying the weather. So this is the beach right now. Maganda pa rin siya. It looks beautiful, right? Look. Whew. Cold. Malamig ang tubig. Mga kaibigan, malamig ang tubig. It's cold. But I enjoy looking at the water, look at the waves. Nag-enjoy ako, nakikita ang alon. Wow, ang lakas ng alon. The sun came. The sun is up now. The sun is shining now. It's really high tide. It's high tide. So I'm just gonna show you right here outside now. So right now, it's dead here in Sauble Beach. But it's not, it's good for sightseeing, for a day trip. Then we're gonna proceed to Lion's Head, and if we have time, gonna go to Tobermory and to Wharton. So just letting you know, friends, that right now it's not open yet, okay? So this is the town of the Sauble Beach. There are some visitors coming in now. In summer, this is used to be very busy. So pag summer, napaka-busy dito mga kaibigan. Pero right now, talagang wala pa, hindi pa pwedeng lumangoy at sinarado nila yung beach. Pwede tayong pumasok para maglakad-lakad lang. As you see, just gonna show you how Sauble Beach looks like right now because of the COVID. Couple of days or 1 week time, it will be summer already, officially summer. I don't know it will be ready by the time. Isang linggo na lang, summer na, officially summer. Hindi ko alam kung mabubuksan ito. Yung beaver tail, I think yung beaver tail is open. Let me see. No, it's closed. Scoopers is closed. There are stores that are open. May mga tindahan na nabukas na. So let me go back to the beach. So I'm showing you now. Actually, there are like visitors coming in now. So you see, it's quiet pa rin ngayon. So it will be busy. But right now it's really high tide. You can see from here. So friends, I hope you like my video. So this is the Sauble Beach right now at the moment. It is not yet open, but you can walk, but no swimming yet. Okay, thank you for watching. So mga kaibigan, ito ngayon ang update ko sa Sauble Beach. Hindi pa pwedeng lumangoy, pero pwedeng pumasok para maglakad-lakad lang. Thank you for watching. And hope you like my video for updating you about Sauble Beach. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye!